I was trying to figure out where I was going to do my birthday staycation, and I received this email from Mandalay Bay that they were going to give me a free comped room, but didn't realize what it all entailed when I showed up, and I was completely shocked the accommodations and everything they made for me. Once arriving at Mandalay Bay, I went to the front desk to check into my room. I mentioned it was my birthday, and the lady at the front desk said, "We're going to upgrade you to a suite at the Delano." I was in shock, and she said, since it's your birthday and you're a Vegas local, we're going to throw in a $100 food and beverage credit. I was so thankful. I reached into my pocket, pulled out a $20 bill, and threw it on the counter. Now it's time to go check out the free upgraded room.
We are over here at Mandalay Bay's Delano, room 34914. Let's go check it out. Alright, when you first walk in, it's well lit up. You'll notice this door right here, which is an additional restroom, which is super cool. It's got a whole sink, a whole toilet, so if you have multiple guests in here, that's really great for an extra room. When you walk in, and this is a suite, the 2-queen suite, the Stay Well suite, you got a nice comfy couch right there. A nice big flat screen TV. Pretty nice desk right here, a chair. You got your telephone over there, a little tiny work lamp, and right here you will find all your USB and plugins right there, which is very convenient. And then right here you have your fully stocked mini bar. And keep in mind, anything you grab, it's all on a weight system, so you'll have to pay for all that. So I usually never use the mini bar because it's very expensive. Then you got a little coffee maker, little coffee cups there. You got an ice bucket, some glasses, a nice sink right there. Beautiful countertops. You have your lamp. Let's go check out the view outside from the living room area. So it's more like a city view, the backside of the city. You can see the MGM over there, that's not too far, and then of course you see the Luxor right there. But it's more of a city view. Get the backside of the Delano building, but not a bad view. Now let's go into the room. The room is very nice in here. Has 2 big queen beds. Very roomy in here. Has a little closet right here. You got your hangers. You got your ironing board, iron, whatnot. Now this was kind of strange to me. It's a little like seating area right here with some drawers. And then of course you have your flat screen TV. And then another closet on this side with your safe. And a couple drawers right there. And then, like I said, you got your 2 queen beds. You have your little table over here. Have a couple plugs up there. Your clock radio. Very nice decor. Very clean in here. The AC was very cool. And then, of course, right here you have your city view still. And I'm going to take you guys in the restroom. It was very clean. I slept on the beds last night and it was comfortable to me. Mom said she wasn't that comfortable, but I was really comfortable in this bed. So keep that in mind. We're going to head into the second bathroom, not just one. And this was a completely comped room along with a $100 food and beverage credit from Mandalay Bay Delano. Alright, let's head into the second bathroom. You've seen the first bathroom. And what I love about this, I know people laugh when I tell you this, but the toilet is separate from the shower and bathtub area. You know, then you can shut your door, have your peace and quiet over there. Very big mirror, well lit up. Of course you have your little side mirror. Double sinks right here. So you and whoever you bring has their own. And check this out, a TV but the cable is not hooked up to it, which is super strange to me. But anyways, and then you got a little shelf right there, had shampoo and conditioner on there for your needs. And then you have a huge tub, massive tub in here. And then you have your, of course, shower, couple towels, a little bit of space down there, a couple extra towels right there. And it looks to me that there's actually a blow dryer inside this hotel, which is very rare to find a blow dryer. So not bad, very clean in here. I would definitely recommend staying at the Delano if you have the opportunity, and they're super nice in here. Thank you guys for watching. If you love these room tours of Las Vegas, consider subscribing to the channel. Hit the thumbs up, leave a comment if you stayed at the Delano. Love you guys. We'll see you for the next adventure. Little hint, probably downtown.